Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Ella and today I am here on board the Disney Fantasy and I wanted to give you guys a room tour of our two connecting deluxe Oceanview staterooms. Here on board we have 6636 and 6634, so let's go take a tour. Alright, so let's start off here at 6636. So right here when you walk in, you're going to have your light switch. You will need your key to the world card or any sort of key to work the lights. And then to this side, we have our closets. So the first one is going to have your life jacket as well as some hangers. You'll also have a laundry bag, a safe, and then like some little shelves down here. And then in the other one, you'll have some more life jackets, some hangers, and your ladder to your bed. All right, now for the bathrooms. This is a split bathroom. So in the first one, you're going to have your toilet. You'll also have some hooks. They've got a shelf right there, a big mirror, your sink with some like hand soap. They've got the cute little Disney one. And then you'll have a trash can, and above you'll have two other shelves. And then for the other bathroom, you'll have some different like hooks for your towels. You'll have this mirror. You'll have some more like shelves and different things like makeup, towels, and little like hand towels. You'll have some body lotion and your sink, as well as some tissues and a trash can. And then over here, you have your tub shower combo, and this one, unlike the Treasure and the Wish, is a circle instead of a rectangle. This one is adjustable, so you can like pull it off or pull it up and down. Then you have your rain head above, and then you'll have some body wash, conditioner, and shampoo, and a little shelf here. Their shampoo and conditioner is actually pretty good here. I normally never bring other like shampoo and conditioner when I go on Disney boats because they're normally pretty good. But if you want like specific ones that you always use, then you can bring them. But if you want one less thing in your suitcase, they actually are pretty good. And then on the outside of the door, you have this big mirror. Moving on to the main room, we've got the connecting door, which I will show you guys in a minute. We've also got some hangers and this picture right here. We've got the bed with this like cute blanket here. This does sleep two, so you can have two sleep right here. And then you've got your lamp, which I really love. Like I love how it has like all of the different like places and like little ships and the castles and the little Mickeys. You've got your lights. You've got some outlets as well as a drawer here. And then on the other side, you have the same like little lamp, some switches, and a phone, and a drawer. You also have this privacy curtain that you can pull along the whole way, or if you want, you can leave it there. Then over here, you have your couch, which will fold down into a bed. Later at night, your room store will do all that for you. You'll have like a little like side table. And then they also will pull down that bed. It sleeps another person up there, and so they'll just pull that down at night, put the ladder on, so it'll turn into like a little like bunk bed. It also has a cute little night light here that you can turn on too. And you have this really cute picture. I love like all the like stamps. And then you have your last bed, which this is your Pullman bed. So they will like just fold it down again at night for you. And so this room does sleep 5. You'll have one there, one here, and then 2 here. You don't have to have 5, but it can fit a total of 5 people in here. And then you have this big vanity with tons of storage. So you've got a trash can over there. You have your mini fridge, as well as some drawers. Here's the first one, another one, and the third one. They're actually pretty big and pretty deep, so you can fit a lot of stuff in here. And then you'll have your TV, some other shelves, and a little cabinet. And then over here, you'll have like a chair. You've also got this drawer, which has like your breakfast menu, some envelopes with a pen, and then some cute pictures that you can actually take home with you. You've got tons of different outlets here. Those are like for your like hair dryers and stuff. And then some more and different light switches. They actually don't have a ton of USBs in this room. I think these might be the only two. So you've got those two, but then you do have a couple of these around the room. And then this big mirror. And then you got two lights on the side too to bring in some extra light. You've got these little like cabinets and this one as well, along with some cups, another cabinet here, and some more drawers with a hairdryer and a little heat protectant padding, and then two others. Again, they're pretty big and have a lot of storage in it. This is one room that just has a ton. So if you've got a bunch of people, it's perfect because you can fit so much stuff in this vanity. And now on to the best part, of course, the veranda. So you do have two curtains. You have this like one that lets in some light and then the blackout curtain. And you also have a child safety lock up here. So if you're worried or have kids, you can put that on. To open this, all you have to do is just pull down and slide. On the veranda, they're gonna have two little chairs here and a little side table. And then if you had the room next door, you can connect this one. And then on this side is the one that connects to 36, 34. We just haven't gotten them to undo this yet, but you can just ask and they'll undo it for you. But I really do love the verandas. I always think that they're really nice, and especially like on port days, it's going to be like great. And even on like sea days, it's really pretty to just come out and look at the water. All right, now on to 6634. You've got your connecting doors. It is just two doors that you can shut, like right here. So then if you didn't have this room, you don't have to worry about opening it, but it's perfect because then you can just like walk right through. The room is pretty much the same, except it is reversed. So it's just on different sides of the room. But when you walk in, you'll have the same closet with the hangers and the life jackets and the safe and everything. You'll have the same split bathroom with the toilet and the sink and all of that, even with like the same shelves and hooks that they have in the other bathroom. And then the shower is also the same. You've got the same sink in here with all of your different shelves and towels and all of that, and the same shower tub combo with like the circle tub, the adjustable wand, and the rain shower head, as well as the same shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Oh, and I think I might have forgot to point it out. They also have these clothing lines that you can pull across, so then you can like do like your bathing suits and all of them, and they can dry easy. So then the main room is the same. You have the same number of beds. You can sleep two here, one on there, one up high, and one on the Pullman bed. So this sleeps a total of 5 people. You have your side tables with the same outlets and drawers on both sides, and your phone, except in this room they have some different artwork. They have the 4 original ships here, the Magic, Wonder, Dream, and Fantasy. And then over by the other beds, instead of the stamp one, they have this picture. But then the rest is the same. You have like your little like side table, and then the same vanity as well with all the different storage and everything. And then of course the same veranda as the other one, except this one has a little bit of a cutout right here. If you can see, the other one didn't really have that, but this one's just a little bit more. But it's got the same chairs and table, and it still has a great view. That little arch doesn't really like block anything. So that is a room tour of 6636 and 6634 here on the Disney Fantasy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe found it a bit helpful for your next cruise. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!